Links is a facilitation program. We have a group of trained peer facilitators that go out and try to engage the members of the Stanford community in intentional dialogues around diversity, equity, inclusion, belonging.
We have the For Your Consideration series as a part of Links, which is kind of a generative, consistent program whereby people in the office come up with ideas for workshops that they want to facilitate. And then we have the Request a Workshop component of it, where different orgs, individuals, people on campus reach out to us to facilitate a conversation around a particular issue they've had in their community. It's more about creating an environment, creating like an infrastructure around which people can collectively think about the issue or think about the topic.
You can come ready to participate or you can come ready to listen, and anyone is welcome, but everyone will be learning. And as a facilitator, I feel that I learn every time I enter a workshop space.
When we design workshops, it's really about meeting people where they're at. Everybody gets something so unique and precious out of the environment. I think number one is just that the environment really thrives with different perspectives.
I value the authenticity and vulnerability that the workshops provoke. You can really be yourself. You can really tap into that vulnerability and really express how you're feeling.